In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Notion Calendar. By the end, you'll have the official app installed and connected so you can manage your time without any hassle. First, let's get the app. Notion Calendar is available as a desktop app for both Windows and Mac, and it also has a mobile version. To keep things simple and secure, start by going to the official Notion Calendar website. Avoid third-party download sites. Using the official source ensures you get the latest trusted build. On the site, click Download and choose your device, Windows or Mac. The download will begin right away. Once the file finishes downloading, open it from your browser's Downloads bar or your Downloads folder. On Windows, you'll typically get an installer. Double-click it, allow any security prompts, and follow the on-screen steps to complete setup. On Mac, you'll usually open a .dmg file and either run an installer or drag the app into your Applications folder. If your system asks for permission to install software from the internet, choose to continue. A good tip here is to close other apps and make sure you have a stable internet connection, as that can speed up installation and reduce glitches. After installation, launch Notion Calendar from your Start menu on Windows or the Applications folder on Mac. Next, sign in. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to log in with your Notion account. You do need a Notion account to use Notion Calendar. If you don't have one yet, you can create it through the prompts that appear. After logging in, you'll be asked to connect your calendar. Notion Calendar works best when it's connected to Google Calendar, so choose that option if that's what you use, and follow the steps to grant permissions. Make sure you select the correct Google account, especially if you have both personal and work accounts, and allow access so events can sync. You can choose which calendars to show, and you can change these selections later in settings. A couple of helpful notes before we wrap up. Notion Calendar was previously known as Cron, so you might still see the Cron name referenced in some places. That's normal. It's the same product within Notion's ecosystem. And again, it's optimized for Google Calendar, which means features like scheduling and time zone handling feel especially smooth once that connection is in place. That's it. You've downloaded the official Notion Calendar app, installed it on your computer, signed in with your Notion account, and connected your calendar so everything stays in sync. Enjoy organizing your time with a cleaner, more focused scheduling experience.